Good morning, guys. In front of me is iPad Air 11, and let me show you how to set Pride wallpaper. First of all, open the settings. Then mark wallpaper and click on add new one. Now you need to select Pride. So here you've got the options. They are not loaded due to my weak network connection, but you will be able to see them once I tap. Let me choose, for example, this one. Over here you can also swipe between styles. Then mark add, and you can either apply same picture on both home and lock screen, or you can customize home screen separately. So you can add different photo, you can make it just gradient, color, on or blur the main picture, but I would like to leave it this way. Then mark done, and that's it. As you can see, this brand new Pride wallpaper is covering both home and lock screen. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.